In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social icons to your agent profile page. So in this example, we're going to look at Beth Tant. Bear with me because we're still working on the pages and making them look perfect for you, so they're not going to look exactly how you want them to do, but I want you to see how easy it is to add some social media. You can't edit the template of this site, but you can edit your bio, which goes down in this section right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your IDX Broker agent dashboard. You should have seen how to do this and maneuver around in here in a different video. So if you don't know how to get there, please go back to the FAQs or to the back office and check out the video that has the introduction to the dashboard. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the bio page. And this is where you're going to edit most of the information that is going to show up on your agent page. So in here, you're going to come down to the bio information, and this is where you would type in your bio, put everything that you want, make it look nice, left align, right align. This is just like a Word document, so it's pretty cool and easy to use. But in this section, you're going to actually have to use the editor. So it is a little bit more complicated, but I have faith that you guys can do it. So here's how you're going to do that. You're going to come down here to the bio. If you already have content in here, that's great. You're going to push this button that says HTML. It's going to open up this editor. If you did have content in here, let's pretend like there was some content in here. Then when you click this, you're going to see that content like that, and you're just going to enter down onto the next line. Now, we gave you some code that you're going to use, and it's in the FAQ section, so you're going to copy that code. This is the most important part. You have to copy this code into the HTML source editor. So super important to copy it into here. Now, prior to copying it, you're going to want to add in your URLs to your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, LinkedIn, YouTube, Trulia, whatever. So you're going to replace these that are in red with your actual profile. Make sure that when you replace it, you keep it in between the quotation marks. If you miss a quotation mark, it is going to mess this code up, so you don't want to do that. That's the only part that probably everybody's going to have a little bit of issue with. So if you find that it doesn't work, come back, redo the whole code, and just make sure, I'm going to zoom in here. Oh, can't zoom in. Just make sure that you have a quotation on each side of the URL to your page. So for instance, my page, let's go in here. This is going to be my URL right there. So I'm going to grab my URL right there. And then I'm going to replace it here. Or if I wanted, I could actually just replace it here. And again, super important to make sure you get it in between the quotation marks. So you're going to go ahead and replace all of the codes. I'm going to leave it as is right now. And then you're going to click the update button. When you do, here's how your social media icons are going to show up. If somebody were to click on them, it would open up in a new tab, so they would never leave your tab. Then once you get these in, let's pretend like you only have Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Once you get that done, leave the other ones in there in the code portion, then come back here and just click on it. So use your cursor, click on it, and hit delete. And then you can delete any of the ones that you don't want and get rid of the one. If there seems to be an extra space, you can use your cursor. You can notice there's 3 spaces in this one because I deleted a couple of icons. I just delete the spaces in between with my delete key, and that's it. And there you go. And once you're done with that, you can hit save. And then you can come to your page and update. And you'll notice that here's where the bio is and here's where the icons are. And if I click on them, they open up in a new tab. And that's how you're going to add your social icons to your agent page. If you have any questions or problems, just shoot us over an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com, and we're happy to help you. Have a great day.
Yeah, pero, yeah. Pull! Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ah.